Okay, I'm gonna let the little ducklings out of their duckling condo. Rebecca and I rebooted the waters last night. We hooked these two little dog houses together. And now the babies are in here somehow. And I'm just going to slowly move this away and see where they all are. Are they in here? Oh, they're all in one spot. Don't scare him, Roni. Okay, well, I'm going to pull this away. And let them all come out.
Daddy's water in there.
Yeah?
Let Daddy's out.
Yep, we can let the duckies out.
Oh.
Okay, let's shoo them out the front door. Here we go. Out the door. Out the door. Oh, they got poop all over them. Oh my goodness, they're so happy. Oh, they're so happy. Are they going to make their way to their little pond? Let's see where they're going to go. Oh, yeah. Oh, it feels so good to get out of the house. Oh, yeah.